PLA on point. In this video, I show how to archive PLA2 data in PLA 3.0. PLA 2.1 reached its end of life a few years ago, making it increasingly important for customers to migrate their PLA2 assay data to the state-of-the-art PLA 3 environment. The PLA 3.0 Migration and Archiving Toolkit provides all necessary tools for a compliant safe transition. It allows for exporting PLA2 data to the hard drive, archiving that data in PLA 3, migrating PLA2 assays into PLA 3 documents, and comparing PLA2 results with PLA 3. In the following, I explain the archiving procedure, which supports the retirement of PLA2. It requires that I exported PLA2 data previously. I start with logging into my PLA3 database, and create a PLA2 database synchronization document. In this document, I enter the location on my hard drive, where I exported my PLA2 data. Then I click the Synchronize button. PLA creates a new folder for each project I exported. It contains all PLA2 assay documents in a read-only format that I can open for investigation. Each document comprises original PLA2 data, including audit trail entries, results, reports, and plots. The project synchronization document collects information about all archived assays of that project. If I want, I can proceed with migrating the PLA2 assays into PLA3 documents.